Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to see live on X. So the very first way how you can see a live stream on X is in your home timeline. So here in your homepage will appear streams from accounts you follow. But if you want to see live streams from accounts that you don't follow on X, then you have to go to Explore tab at the bottom side of the screen. This is this magnifying glass icon. And this is the page where X features major live content related to trending topics and as well events. So please go to trending section here at the top. And here you can look for official video stream from the accounts that you don't follow on X. So you can scroll here and try finding a live video. But if you're looking for something specific on X, you can use the searching bar right here at the top, and you can type user's name to find specific account that you know they have live stream right now. You can go to their account and watch live stream directly from their page. But also you can use keywords, so you can type something like #live and as well try finding live streams on X. So that were the three main ways how you can see live on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.